Hi everybody, so today I'm doing this look here for you. This is purple and colors from the Cotton Candy Queen collection. I was requested to do something of a purple look by subscribers. So that's what I'm doing here today. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do not forget to follow me on all my other social medias as well too, because I post on TikTok. I live stream these looks on TikTok, so if you're wanting more long form content, you can definitely check there. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Okay everyone, so we're using the P. Louise Skinny Eyebrow Pencil. I think I've said it in like every one of my videos now. You do not need to use this. You can use any skinny eyebrow pencil. They're all kind of the same to me personally, but whatever. So we're starting off with the P. Louise Base, and then I'm going to go ahead and take from the Cotton Candy Queen palette the lighter of the matte purples, which is Ice Cream Drip, and I am going to diffuse that all through my crease. Very simple. That's kind of the blending motion I do, just back and forth, and you get the blend you want. I like things to be really nice and soft. I did a winged liner on this look, but I most of the time don't really like a winged liner. I like everything to be really round and soft, whereas wing liners are very like straight and sharp. You know, like you just blend all of that color and then you're going to put a straight sharp line through it. That's what I don't like personally, but that's whatever. I decided to do one today, and for the white on the brow bone, I'm using Sugarpill Tako, the single shadow, which is the best white I've ever used, definitely. And then I'm continuing to blend that together, of course, but then I'm using the darkest purple in the Cotton Candy Queen collection, which is called Taste Test Me, and I am just using that on the outer here. This is my go-to kind of look, so to speak. Color in the crease, color on the outer, color on the lid, which would be Gourmet Glory. That's the color I'm using from the Cotton Candy palette. And then over top of that, I go ahead with the kind of, it's like a matte shade with sparkle in it. Like, it's a very unique shade, I think. It's Castle of Sprinkles. What I did was I put that over, but then I blended out, and I realized to get the sparkles, you have to not blend that color out, obviously, which is kind of a stupid, like I should have known that. But so I went ahead and I re-pat that color over it to really get that sparkle effect. I almost want to say sprinkles, but like, oh, because it's called Castle of Sprinkles, but whatever. Yeah, and then using the Sugarpill Tako again, I had some shimmer on the lid, so I wanted to keep it matte on the inner corner. And I'm going in with that Gourmet Glory color again, which is the sparkly, like the all sparkle purple, whereas the Castle of Sprinkles is like a matte color with sparkle in it. So I'm using the brush to apply more of that Gourmet Glory, and then I'm using the Made by Mitchell Black Milk Graph Ink Liquid Eyeliner. And I was talking in my live stream about how I do this, but I pretty much just do, like, I do a shitty wing and then I straighten it up with, or straighten it up and out with a makeup wipe. That's always what I've done. So yeah, you can see that it ends up looking fairly well. I did make a mistake on my eye there, as you could see, but what I do is I go ahead and I apply eyelashes on top of my eyeliner, and then I push my eyelashes up, and it actually makes my eyeliner look less thick than what it is, so that will end up being hidden and you might be able to see that in the final result at the end. So it'll look more like just a lash band and not like a thick band of liner, so to speak. I hope that makes sense. It's kind of hard to explain, but... So yeah, just removing that black from the outer of the wing, and then darkening up any parts that you see fit. I'm really like, Made by Mitchell still is not shipping to Canada. And I'm kind of fucking devoed because I'm like, okay, like you were funny, you were cute for a bit, but you need to fucking get on it now, you know? Like, why aren't you shipping to me? Curling the lashes, using Benefit Their Real Magnetic Mascara. Someone mentioned to me that it's because the fibers it's called magnetic because I think it's the fibers in the mascara are magnetic, and they magnetize to each other to enhance your lashes more. I think I'm explaining that right. So it's not actually magnetic. Should have fucking known. But yeah, and then I'm using the Pure and Barbie doll lashes, and I've cut up some 301 drag lashes just for the spikes. I've been using these lashes a lot lately. I really like these lashes. So yeah, that's what I've been going with. I find that they're, at least for me, wearable but still very dramatic. If you're familiar with what I've done in the past, my lashes can get very, very overzealous. So yeah, using the Catrice Prime and Fine primer. Definitely like that one. And then some Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I wanted to use a different foundation today. I wanted something a bit more sheer that you can see my freckles through. In the summertime, it's kind of what I feel. So I went with L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. I find that this is buildable. You can make it more coverage, but shearing it out is what I like to do, just applying not as much as I would basically if I wanted a thicker coverage. And then I went ahead and actually set the makeup with JCat Beauty Aquasurance Compact Foundation. Really like that compact, but I forgot to do my white under eyes, which you guys might know I love. So I went ahead with the Kimchi Chic the Most Concealer and just tapped under my eye because I hadn't set under my eye yet. And then I went ahead and set with the Shivering White Powder by MAC, the one I use every single time religiously. The MAC Studio Fix powder. So there I am setting it with the JCat Beauty Aquasurance Compact. And then that's me going ahead and putting the white under my eyes because I forgot it. And then I'm setting with the Studio Fix powder. Then I go ahead and set the whole face with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic loose powder. And because it has a color to it, I set a different area and then use the remainder of it on my eye, under my eye, because I want that to remain a lighter white color. Like a lighter under eye highlight. I did something a bit different with my highlighter this time. I used my usual of Danessa Myricks Enlight Halo and Ice and Colourpop Flexetarian. I always put Colourpop first and then Danessa over top of it. But this time I actually put blush over top of it because I wanted to give the blush the sheen as well too. And I used the Sheglam Tangerine matte blush. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love that. You'll see when I put it on, personally, definitely one of my favorite blushes at the moment right now.
And then I used the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer as well too on the outer perimeter of the face. So that's where I put all of the Colourpop, and then I go ahead with the brush, and that's what I use after spraying my setting spray. I use the Danessa Myricks powder, Enlight powder. The setting spray was the Cream Shop and Hello Kitty Celebrate Setting and Priming Spray. And then I'm just going ahead and adding in some purple on the lower lash line, and I used a black eyeliner in the waterline. It was the Made by Mitchell Black Track All Smudge No Budge pencil. He is doing the most with these fucking names. Cleaning up the lips using MAC Stripdown Lipliner after that, and then using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Loyalist, which has Maybelline liquid lipsticks have very, very quickly become my favorite liquid lipsticks, whether it's the vinyl ink or the matte ink. I just love them. They're so nice. So yeah, I definitely want to get more colors, but I really hope you guys enjoy the video. That's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!